Welcome to this video on production planning in SAP Business One. Learn how to synchronize demand, inventory, and execution for growing manufacturers. Is your business growing, but production breaking under pressure? Often the root cause of manufacturing delays isn't a lack of capacity, but a lack of integrated planning.
Relying on isolated spreadsheets and manual planning leads to hidden costs, such as emergency purchases, stock shortages, and disconnected inventory operations. It is time to evolve from reactive firefighting to proactive control. SAP Business One transforms your operations with real-time forecasting and automated data-driven decisions.
Introducing the SAP B1 Connected Ecosystem. By planning production based on actual demand rather than fragmented assumptions, you bridge the gap between requirements and execution. Pillar 1 is standardizing the manufacturing blueprint with bills of materials. This allows you to manage complex assembly structures while tracking exact production costs. Pillar 2 is anticipating demand with the MRP cognitive engine. This automates supply and demand analysis, effectively eliminating emergency purchasing costs. Pillar 3 focuses on executing with precision through production orders, monitor real-time status, manage work in progress, and automatically update inventory levels. Follow the 9-step SAP POP workflow. This process begins with creating customer demand, reviewing inventory, executing MRP, and generating procurement recommendations. Moving from execution to fulfillment, the final steps include creating production orders, issuing materials, tracking progress, receiving finished goods, and completing the order. The return on investment of total operational visibility is clear. By eliminating departmental boundaries, you align capacity with demand, lower costs, and increase delivery rates. This proven methodology is effective across a wide range of complex manufacturing environments, from automotive components to consumer goods. Transform your production processes with Kabeer Consulting Group. We provide end-to-end implementation, custom solutions, and ongoing support to ensure your success. Ready to turn your ERP into a growth engine? Connect with Kabeer Consulting Group today for a strategic consultation and a live manufacturing demo.